Now I have a really fun activity planned for today, but I need everyone to cooperate, okay? So we are going to talk about fractions on a number line. And, you know, why are we talking about fractions so much? Why are fractions important?
Because you don't need them in your lifetime.
What did you say?
Some people don't get fractions.
Fractions are hard to learn for some people, right? What did you say?
I was gonna say pizza.
For pizza, we can, if we want to split a pizza evenly, we have to know what fractions to use. We don't, right? We want it to be fair, okay? What if I have a piece of gum and I say, hey, I'll share this piece of gum with you. I'll split it in half, and then I only give her a piece this big and I have a piece this big. Is that in half?
No.
No, it's not in half. We need to know what our fractions are so that we know, you know, that we're getting our fair share, right? What's that? Just come. Okay, so here's what we're going to do.
Oh, I thought it was white.
Does anyone know which of those fractions is the smallest and which one is the largest?
I do. 1/9 is the smallest and 1/2.
No.
Nope.
Yes?
It's 1/12 is the smallest.
Yeah.
And 1/2 is the biggest.
Okay, how do we know that?
Ooh, I know that.
How do we know that?
Oh, it's because the bigger the denominator, the smaller the pieces.
But how does that work? Why does that work? Like, we know that that's a rule, but how do we know that?
Because we're smart.
Because you're smart? Well, today we're going to figure out why 1/12 is the smallest and why 1/2 is the largest, okay?
Oh, 1/2. 1/2 is like this.
Okay, good. I need everybody's attention. Thank you. So let's say I have a candy bar, okay? Pass one out to everyone. Okay, we're all going to work together to figure out what size pieces we're going to work together to figure out what size pieces are in what fractions and why 1/2 is the biggest and why 1/12 is the smallest, okay? So, on the paper you have, we are going to pretend that these are candy bars, okay? And so if we want to make 1/2, what does the denominator mean in a fraction?
Add to the bottom pieces.
The denominator is the bottom number.
The total pieces.
The total number of pieces in one whole candy bar. No, you're good. Okay, so what are we going to do to make 1/2? Can someone come to the board and show me? Great. So that, okay, so we have a candy bar divided into two pieces. How can we show that it's 1/2 instead of 2/2? Logan?
Shading in one side.
Yeah, shading in one side. Okay, I want you to find the candy bar on your piece of paper that looks like this. Shade in the 1/2 and label it.
Which one?
Label it.
Normal, or do you
get the one that already
We want to do the one that's in 1/2.
there's more shaded like
Okay. And raise your hand and let me know when you've finished that. Okay, is everybody ready?
But yeah. Hey, do you have
Right. Shade in just the 1/2 and then label it 1/2. Okay, everybody look at their neighbor's paper and make sure that they did it right.
you did right, congratulations.
That it looks just like this. Okay. Next, how would I make 1/3?
I know how to do that.
Okay, I need some more volunteers.
Oh, come on, come on, come on.
How would I make it 1/3?
Oh yeah, I know how to do that.
Shade it. Okay. Okay, now everybody find the candy bar on your paper that is split into thirds and shade in 1/3 and label it.
I already know.